When it comes to playing Fortnite at a competitive level, having the best keyblinds can make a huge difference in performance. Keyblinds are personal and vary depending on a player's comfort and playstyle. But certain setups are widely regarded as being optimal for quick and efficient gameplay. The best keyblinds for Fortnite uh, focus on focus on giving players easy access to essential actions such as building, weapon switching, and editing. Many pro players recommend using keys that are within easy reach and can be pressed quickly, minimizing finger movement and maximizing reaction time. That's what we want. So, for example, binding building structures to the mouse buttons can greatly improve speed and efficiency, allowing players to quickly switch between building and combat. All right? The movement keys, typically set to WASD, should be left as they are since they offer the best control over your character's movement. Meanwhile, for combat, many players opt for using additional buttons like shift or control for crouching and aiming, with spacebar used for jumping. Editing keyblinds also play a crucial role in Fortnite, and many players use dedicated keys like G or F for faster editing. Ultimately, the best keyblinds for Fortnite are those that feel intuitive, enhance reaction time, and cater to players' unique play style. Experimenting with different setups and making adjustments as you go can help you find the optimal keyblind configuration.